Congratulations on being the owner of this user-friendly flour mill. Your microfine flour mill can grind almost all grains and cereals. You can also process spices as per your convenience. This demo video is applicable for all the microfine flour mill variants. We shall now take you through everything you need to know about this product. Let us make you familiar with all the parts of the machine. Front door and top door, the hopper. This is where you will put the grains. The auto switch will work only after the front door is closed. You don't need to operate it. The chamber is where the grains will grind. The chamber's fix lock must be pressed appropriately to ensure complete safety. An instruction manual is provided to choose the correct sieves according to the grain. A sieve needs to be placed inside the chamber. The rotor will grind the grains. The filter is attached to the container and placed above it. The filter also contains an extra attachment which helps to prevent excess spread of thick flour. The flour passes through the filter after the process of grinding. The container is placed below the filter. 4 wheels are attached for easy movement of the flour mill. Let us see how it works in detail, as once you know the procedure, you will find it absolutely easy to operate it. Choose the appropriate sieves by referring to the instruction manual provided. Next, you will pour the grains into the hopper. Make sure you do not fill the hopper to its brim. Then close the top door. Let the front door remain open and plug in the device and switch it on. The flour mill will not start when the front door is open. The best feature of this flour mill is that it comes with an auto switch which starts when the door gets closed. Close the front door when you are ready to begin. The device will work automatically and gets switched off on its own when the work is done. A beep sound will be heard when the grinding process is over. The device should remain on for 2 minutes after completion, as the built-in double auto cleaning system will clean the device. Do not operate before it is done. Then switch off and unplug the device. Unlock the filter and remove the container. Your flour will be ready to use. Additionally, Microfine Domestic Flour Mill also comes with a vacuum cleaning variant. Let's have a look at how the vacuum cleaning works. Once you are done with grinding, affix the inlet pipe at the bottom of the left side. Then affix the outlet pipe at the bottom of the back as shown. The outlet comes with a remnant bag attached. Vacuum starts with switching on the button at the top left of the chamber. Then start cleaning the chamber with an inlet vacuum. You may also clean the sieve with the brush. There is something wonderful about maintaining and cleaning of this device. It has an easy mechanism to clean after its use. The device will self-clean twice with its built-in double auto cleaning system. However, you can manually clean the chamber and the sieves with the brush provided. You can also clean with a damp cloth. You could remove the container and even wash it with water. There are some precautions to be taken care of while using the device. Do not switch on the device if the electrical voltage is low. Make sure that the sieve is always placed securely. Do not wash the sieves and filter with water. Pay attention to some of the imperative information. In case the device stops working midway, switch off. Remove the grains from the chamber. Reinsert the grains in the hopper and restart. If there is any complaint regarding the working of the device, inform our service center and we will resolve the issue. A complaint could easily be registered through an email, a helpline number, or even with the help of a website. Moreover, it could be done through Microfine application also, which can be downloaded from the Play Store. All the best in using your Microfine flour mill. Microfine flour mill ensures that your family is always healthy and happy.